inside Usborne's Peek Inside a Fairy Tale, Cinderella. Once upon a time, a prince was throwing a grand party, a ball. He sent an invitation to every single house in the city, from the very richest to the very poorest. A girl named Cinderella lived here with her two selfish stepsisters. "Can I come too?" Cinderella asked them. "Certainly not," shrieked her stepsisters. "You're too dirty and ragged to come with us." Poor Cinderella. Her selfish stepsisters went to the ball without her. She sat down on the doorstep and sobbed. "Oh, I wish I could go to the ball." Just then, something extraordinary happened. With a twinkle and a whoosh, a fairy godmother appeared. "You shall go to the ball," she cried. "Let's see. First, I'll need you to help me find a pumpkin."